You will use the DMP Defense Scheduling Calendar when you are ready to schedule your proposal or final defense. You will need to find 3 free available time slots that are open in order to schedule your defense. To locate the defense scheduling form, go to Section 3 of the DMP Student and Faculty Lounge. Before clicking on the scheduling button, read the directions about scheduling your defense and review the days and times that you can schedule your defense. You will notice that not every day is available for scheduling a defense. Defenses can be scheduled on Mondays at 12 p.m. and 2 p.m. Mountain Time, Thursdays at 12 and 2 p.m. Mountain Time, and Fridays at 10 in the morning and 12 p.m. Mountain Time. Once you have reviewed the directions, click the Defense Scheduling Calendar link. If you find a date when we hold defenses that is blank, then that means the 2 available slots are open for that time. If a day has 2 times that say busy, then the day is full. For example, February 12th is busy at 12 and 2 p.m. That means that there are no available times for this day. If a day has only 1 time slot that says busy, then that means that there is 1 remaining slot available. Sometimes a date will just say busy and will not include a time next to it. When this happens, it means that the date is unavailable due to a university meeting. Typically, this happens during residencies or accreditation visits. When you have found 3 dates that are available, put them onto your defense scheduling form. Send the form over to your chair for a signature, and then email dmpadvising@americansentinel.edu with your paper, PowerPoint, and signed defense scheduling form together.